Booyah! Welcome back to Investicore, where we cut through Wall Street noise and give you the real story. I'm your host, and today, the market's flashing urgent signals you can't afford to ignore. 3 stocks are at a tipping point, one's about to break out, another's a screaming buy, and a popular giant is a disaster waiting to happen. This isn't just another update, it's your battle plan for the week. I've done the homework, crunched the charts, and found the moves you need to make before the opening bell. Grab your notepad and get ready. These are the buy and sell alerts you need right now. Let's ring that register. Cha-ching! Let's dive in. First up, Innovatech Dynamics, a name you probably haven't seen splashed across the headlines or trending on social media, but that's exactly what makes it so intriguing. Never heard of it? That's exactly why it's your edge. In a market obsessed with the same handful of mega-cap tech stocks, the real opportunities are often hiding in plain sight, overlooked by the masses. While everyone's chasing the same tech giants, the real money is quietly building positions in this under-the-radar innovator. The smart money knows that the biggest gains come from getting in before the crowd. Innovatech makes next-gen semiconductor materials, the backbone of AI, EVs, and data centers. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the foundation of the next decade's technological revolution. Boring, not when it's the picks and shovels for the entire AI gold rush. Every major breakthrough in artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and cloud computing needs what Innovatech is building. Here's what matters. I'm seeing big institutional buying, stealth accumulation, the kind that happens before a breakout. These are the footprints of hedge funds and pension managers who don't want to tip their hand. They hold key patents on a new chip material that's already in late-stage trials with major players. This isn't just a science project, it's on the verge of commercialization. The street's analysts are asleep at the wheel, but the smart money is moving in. Most analysts are still focused on the old guard, missing the quiet revolution happening right under their noses. The chart? Classic consolidation. Flat after a run-up, volume creeping higher, every dip getting bought. This is the kind of technical setup that precedes explosive moves. This is a coiled spring ready to launch. The pressure is building, and when it releases, it could be fast and dramatic. The play: don't go all in, start a position, add on dips, and let the market come to you. This is about building a stake before the crowd catches on, and ride the institutional wave. When the big money starts to really move. Joe, what have been not obrila the buying? Bobasan buying bond when Chuber. So we're buy to buy never to buy on board, not chasing after the fact. Innovatech has a fortress balance sheet, minimal debt, and a veteran management team. They've weathered storms before and know how to scale when opportunity knocks. This isn't a gamble, it's a calculated move into a company about to become essential. The risk is measured, the upside is asymmetric. When those contracts hit, the stock will explode, and the analysts will scramble to catch up. That's when the upgrades and price target hikes start rolling in. Don't wait for the headlines. By then, the easy money's gone. The market rewards those who act before the story is obvious. Remember, the big funds can't pile in all at once. They have to accumulate slowly, so as not to move the price against themselves. They buy quietly, over weeks, and we're in the final stages of that accumulation. The risk? Hesitation. If you wait for confirmation, you'll be late. Waiting until it's front-page news means missing the real gains. The market's biggest winners are almost always the ones you bought before everyone else noticed. This is your early warning. The signals are there for those who know where to look. Innovatech Dynamics is the hidden breakout candidate for your portfolio this year. It's the kind of stock that can quietly double before the mainstream even notices. The story is pristine, the technicals are lining up, and the big money is betting big. All the ingredients for a major move are coming together. Don't be the one who hears the roar. Be the one who saw the lightning first. The market always rewards foresight over hindsight. Write down the name, do your homework, and get ready to act. Dig into the filings, listen to the calls, and understand the story for yourself. The breakout is coming fast. When momentum hits, it won't wait for you to catch up. This is how you get ahead of the herd. The best trades are the ones you make before the crowd even knows there's a race. Don't let this slip through your fingers. Opportunities like this don't come around every day. Innovatech Dynamics, your stealth play of the year. Quiet now, but not for long. Get in before the launch. The next wave of growth is about to take off. Will you be on board? Now, let's shift gears to a screaming buy hiding in plain sight, Cummins Inc. This isn't just another industrial stock, it's a company at the crossroads of tradition and transformation, quietly building the future while the market looks the other way. The market thinks Cummins is just a diesel engine relic. Dead wrong. While many see only the legacy business, they're missing the innovation happening behind the scenes. They're leading the energy transition: hydrogen, natural gas, battery electric for commercial vehicles. Cummins is investing billions to future-proof its business, and it's already rolling out next-gen engines that will power the trucks and buses of tomorrow. The market overreacted to short-term supply chain noise, and the stock pulled back, gift-wrapped for smart investors. This is the kind of temporary dip that creates generational buying opportunities. Cummins wins if diesel stays strong, wins if hydrogen takes off, and wins as global trade rebounds. No matter which way the economy turns, Cummins is positioned to benefit from every major trend in transportation and logistics. Their new hydrogen engine, the X15H, is a game-changer. Trucking companies can decarbonize without overhauling fleets. This means lower costs, faster adoption, and a huge addressable market as regulations tighten worldwide. Orders are piling up, but Wall Street hasn't priced it in. The backlog is growing quarter after quarter, signaling robust demand that's only going to accelerate as the energy transition picks up speed. Technically, the stock's at its 200-day moving average, classic support, with signs of reversal. For technical traders, this is a textbook entry point, and for long-term investors, it's a rare chance to buy quality at a discount. The valuation? Dirt cheap for a market leader and innovator with a strong dividend. You're getting paid to wait while the market catches up to the story. Infrastructure spending and the push for onshoring are massive tailwinds. As governments invest in rebuilding supply chains and modernizing transport, Cummins stands to capture a huge slice of that growth. Don't buy the old economy narrative. Cummins is pivoting faster than competitors. They're not just keeping up, they're setting the pace, out-innovating rivals who are still playing catch-up. The risk-reward is skewed in your favor, downside cushioned by fundamentals, upside driven by the energy transition. Few companies offer this kind of margin of safety with so much potential for growth. The next earnings report will force analysts to upgrade, and the chase will be on. Once the numbers hit, the window for easy gains will slam shut. You want to be in before that train leaves the station. The best returns go to those who act before the crowd wakes up. This is the trifecta: value, narrative, and technical setup. It's rare to see all three line up so perfectly in a single stock. Start buying at this support level. Leader, innovator, on sale. The opportunity is right here, right now for those willing to look past the headlines. Don't overthink it. The story is clear. The value is undeniable. Sometimes the best investments are the ones hiding in plain sight. Cummins is a buy, right now. The market won't ignore this forever, and when it wakes up, you'll be glad you acted early. Don't wait for the crowd. The biggest gains go to the early movers. History rewards those who see the shift before it's obvious. This isn't just a trade, it's an investment in the backbone of the global economy. Cummins powers the world's supply chains, and that's not changing anytime soon. Cummins has weathered every storm for a century. This time is no different. Through wars, recessions, and technological revolutions, they've always come out stronger. Get on board before the next leg up. The future is being built right now, and Cummins is driving it forward. Perfect. It's time for some tough love and a reality check. The stock you absolutely need to sell right now: Peloton Interactive, ticker symbol PTON. If you're still holding on, it's time to ask yourself why. Because the warning signs are everywhere. Peloton was the ultimate pandemic darling, riding high when the world was locked down and everyone was desperate for at-home fitness solutions. But the world has moved on, and Peloton hasn't kept up. The environment that made Peloton a star is gone, and the company is stuck in the past. Subscriber growth has collapsed, churn is rising, and the recurring revenue story that once fueled Wall Street's optimism is falling apart. The numbers don't lie. Fewer people are signing up, and more are leaving every quarter. The subscription model, once seen as a moat, is now a leaky bucket. Competition is everywhere. Cheaper options. Gyms are back in business, and people are eager to get out of the house. The fitness landscape has changed, and Peloton is no longer the only game in town. Rivals are innovating faster and offering more value for less. But the real killer, the balance sheet. Cash burn is out of control, inventory is piling up in warehouses, and deep discounts are crushing margins. Every quarter, the company is bleeding more money just to keep the lights on. It's a vicious cycle that's only getting worse. Management is scrambling for solutions, cost cuts, new product launches, partnerships, but nothing's working. The leadership team looks lost, and their so-called turnaround plans are just band-aids on a gaping wound. Their product is a luxury item in a tightening economy. Bad news for sales. With inflation biting and consumer confidence low, people are thinking twice before dropping thousands on a stationary bike. Peloton's target market is shrinking fast. The stock's been absolutely beaten down, but don't fall into the trap of asking, how much lower can it go? The answer, a lot lower. Just because it's down doesn't mean it can't keep falling. This is a classic death spiral. Don't try to catch the falling knife. Every bounce is just another opportunity for trapped investors to get out, not a sign of recovery. The sell warning is urgent. Peloton will need to raise cash soon, which means more debt or diluting shareholders with new stock. Either way, you lose. The company's financial options are shrinking by the day. The chart, it's a horror show, relentless downtrend. Every pop gets sold, and there's no sign of a bottom. Technicals and fundamentals are both screaming get out. Institutions have left the building, long-time believers have capitulated, and only bag holders remain. When the smart money leaves, you don't want to be the last one holding the bag. The business model is broken, financials are deteriorating, and competition is fierce. Peloton's original vision has unraveled, and the numbers keep getting uglier. There's simply no logical reason to own this stock right now. Hope is not a strategy, and wishful thinking won't fix a broken business. Selling at a loss is hard, but letting a small loss become catastrophic is even worse. Protecting your capital is your number one job as an investor. Cut your losses, redeploy your capital into winners, and don't look back. There are better opportunities out there. Don't let Peloton drag you down. The market sees Peloton's future, declining sales, mounting losses, and a desperate fight for survival. The headlines are only going to get worse from here. Don't fall for the turnaround story. Odds are stacked against you. Most turnaround attempts fail, and Peloton's challenges are especially steep. Volatility risk is huge. One bad earnings report, and this stock could gap down 20% or more overnight. The risk-reward is simply not in your favor. Smart money isn't just avoiding Peloton, they're actively betting against it. Hedge funds and professional traders see the writing on the wall. Short interest is high, and for good reason. The market is signaling that Peloton's problems are far from over. If you own Peloton, sell it. Sell it today. Don't wait for a miracle that isn't coming. Don't wait. Don't hope. Just get out while you still can. Every day you hesitate, the risk grows. Rip the band-aid off. It'll sting, but it'll save you from much bigger pain down the road. Sometimes the best move is the hardest one. The magic is gone, the growth story is over, and the brand is losing its shine. Peloton is yesterday's news. What's left is a struggling hardware company with a massive cash burn problem. The future looks bleak, and the risks are only mounting. Protect your portfolio. Dump this stock before the next wave of selling hits. Don't let Peloton sink your returns. This isn't personal, it's about protecting your capital and making smart decisions. Your money deserves better. Don't be the last one holding the bag. When the exit doors get crowded, it's already too late. Move on and focus on real opportunities. Peloton's time is up, and your capital can work harder elsewhere. Sell, walk away, and don't look back. Your future self will thank you for making the tough call today. There you have it, the battle plan, a stealth breakout, a powerhouse buy, and a market darling to dump before it's too late. The market moves fast, these signals are happening now. Review the homework, check the charts, and be ready to act before the opening bell. This is your moment to take control. Be decisive, be prepared, and have the courage to buy the unloved and sell the adored. Now go out there and make some money. Booyah!